Hey everyone, Chef Leroy here, and welcome to the channel. Well guys, I'm going to show you something today. By the way, it is New Year's, and I want to just show you a new thing to do in your pressure cooker. Have you ever cooked boiled eggs in your pressure cooker? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that, and this is called the 5-5-5 rule. 5-minute cook, 5-minute rest, and 5-minute cool. So, I'm going to get the camera over to the pressure cooker and show you how to get it done. All right, guys, there you go. Pressure cooked boiled eggs. First time I've done them in a pressure cooker. I've been cooking eggs on the stove for many years, boil them for 10 minutes and ice bath them. But these eggs, it was actually quicker to do them and they peeled a lot easier. So hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, hit that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed up to this point. Subscriptions are free to join and they will just let you know when I drop a video. Anyway, you guys have a fantastic day. Chef Leroy, and out.